Welcome back. Previously, we have designed a small window for a menu. In this part, we are going to work on the communication between the window and the user control. Depending on the press button, we should send an appropriate command from the window to the user control. We already have a processor for such commands in our user control, so we only need to work on the sending process. So let's close our game. Now, press F7 to view the code. This is a very simple task, but first let's deal with the music setting. So when we load this window, IDist window loaded event is fired, we need to check the music setting. For this purpose, let's access the checkbox music is checked property and set it to setting music, which is bool. So type settings dot then default, and then we type the name of our property, which is music. All right. Next, when we press the continue button, we actually do not need to send any command. So we only need to call the close method. Next, when we press the restart button, we need to send the command. Just to remind you, this string variable stores our commands, which will be accessed from our user control game. So we will set it to restart and then close it as well. When we press the main menu button, the command will be appropriate. So main menu and then close. Good. When we press exit, again, we don't need any commands. But at the same time, we don't even need to close this window. Instead, we should access the application, access its current property, and call the shutdown method, which will simply close this game. Now, whatever button we pressed, if this window is closed, the window closed event is fired. So what we need here is just to set the music setting. So settings default music equals checkbox music is checked, and then we need to save our settings. So settings default and save. Alright, now let's check how it works. Literally, this is all you need to code. Just send the appropriate commands. So if we press continue, we simply return to this screen because we only call the close method. If we press restart, we send the restart command and we are here. If we press the main menu, we are here and the command was main menu. If we change this setting, you see it changes and it is saved. And if we press exit game, we close our game. Good. So now we see that the code works. But let me just clarify again how this works. So our window is called and it is created in user control game when we press the menu button. When we press it, show menu event is fired and we create window menu. When we close it, we check its command. So w period command is actually this variable and we assign it to a local value. And then we can forget about the window because we already know what was the command. So window menu is the sender of commands and user control game is the receiver of commands. And here we process the command local variable. So this is the reason I typed it as restart and main menu. So that's it. In the next part, we are going to design the final window, which is shown when the game ends. This window. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to see more tutorials.